chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Well, there's no roasting needed when you have tiger nuts. Although chestnuts aren't really a nutritional powerhouse, they do have some good vitamins and minerals in them. However, tiger nuts have only 63% the carbs, more than 11 times the protein, almost 6.7 times the fiber, 6.7 times more iron, more than 3 times the magnesium, more than 7.3 times the zinc, almost 1.5 times more potassium, nearly 3.7 times more calcium, more than 6 times the phosphorus, nearly 1.7 times the vitamin B6, 20 times more vitamin E, and more than 2.4 times the folate. Plus, tiger nuts aren't even nuts at all. They're little tubers that grow under the ground. Tiger nuts are nut-free, but they're also gluten, cholesterol, and dairy-free. They're vegetarian, vegan, organic, non-GMO. They have resistant starch, which is great for weight loss. They're great for the paleo diet, Whole30 diet, raw food diet, and they're antibacterial and prebiotic. Plus, they help you with your sex life. They're great for everyone: adults, children, the elderly, athletes, even people with diabetes and celiac problems. So for healthy and tasty snacks, make sure you check out TigerNutsUSA.com for all of their amazing Tiger Nuts products.